use cross products to solve for proportions. So basically what you would do is this. You will multiply your extremes. These two are called extremes. So you're gonna multiply the 6 times 31, and you're gonna multiply x times 21. So when you multiply x times 21, you're gonna get 21x is equal to 6 times 31.5. Okay? When you multiply 6 times 31.5, you're gonna get 189. So 21x is equal to 189. This operation, when you get a variable and a number in front, that represents multiplications. What's the opposite of multiplication? Division. So you're going to divide by the coefficient, the number that's in front of the variable. Okay? Whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. So 21 goes into 189 9 times. Okay? That's how you solve that one. On this proportion right here, in order to solve it, you do the same thing. You're going to multiply you're going to multiply these two and multiply these two. Okay? So you're going to wind up multiplying 5 times x plus 3 is equal to 2 times 4x. Okay? You're going to distribute the 5 to everything that's inside the parentheses. So this is going to become 5x plus 15. Because 5 times x is 5x, 5 times 3 is 15. You multiply 2 times 4x is going to give you 8x. Okay, now, in order to solve a variable, you have to get the variable on one side of the equation by itself. So you see 8x is over here on this side of the equation, and 5x is over here. You can't solve it with it like that. So what you have to do, you can either take the 8x and move it over here where the 5x is, or you can take the 5x and move it over here where 8x is. Okay, so since 8x is over here by itself, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the 5x and move it over where the 8x is. Now, one rule is, anytime you move a term on the other side of the equal sign, the sign changes. So if it's positive over here, when I move it over here, it's going to turn negative. So this is going to become 15 is equal to 8x minus 5x. Okay, you just have to know that. Anytime I move a term on the other side of the equal sign, the sign changes. If it's positive over here, when I move it over here, it becomes negative. So this is 8x minus 5x, so this becomes 3x. And this remains 15. Now this is multiplication. What's the opposite of multiplication? Division. So I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. How many times will 3 go into 15? 5. So x is equal to 5.